Charity Artisan Market in support of Deaf Reach by Alliance Francus Lahore was an amazing experience for me too. I went there to support great artists of Lahore. Abu Ashir Ceramic Studio Lahore by Suhail Irfan Bhatti. Ceramic is the art and science of creating objects from clay and other raw materials, which are shaped and then hardened through firing at high temperature. सिरेमिक से इतनी उम्दा चीज़ें बनाई कि आप सराहे बगैर रह ही नहीं सकते. Art Ratan is an initiative of founder of Lahore Virsa, whose aim is to promote and preserve the centuries-old dying craftsmanship of Chitrai so that new generations can see and learn this skill. Next is the Poli and Other Stories Amazing Store, which is a store in Lahore that celebrates local craftsmanship and creativity. This store offers a variety of handmade but unique products. आप इनके काम को देखें तो आप हैरान हो जाएंगे कि हमारे पाकिस्तान में किस कदर टैलेंट पाया जाता है. This is a stall of labor and love. You can see unique crochet products that stand out for their creativity and functionality. You can see a lot of decor items, toys, bags. Which I like most is this robot. You can see. This is another amazing stall where you can see a lot of Pakistani handmade products. Embroidery, bags, dresses. I forgot their name, sorry, but मुझे अब इनका नाम याद नहीं आ रहा. Here it comes, knit pearl, designed with purely handmade products. You can see a lot of crochet products over here, including earrings, different decorative items, as well as flowers. And here is Sheila. Sheila is a great artist. मेरी Sheila से बातचीत हुई और मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने का मौका मिला. Let me take you to the jam store. You can find different flavors here like strawberry, cherry, mango, blackberry. The guy over there offered me to taste jam, and what I chose was blackberry. And trust me, I have never tasted such a yummiest jam ever. जायका इस कदर यूनिक था और बिल्कुल ऐसे कि आपने ब्लैकबेरी को क्रश करके खाया हो. जस्ट वही टेस्ट था और आई कांट डिस्क्राइब इन वर्ड्स. Sulil Ceramics Pakistan is a luxury brand based in Lahore, and it is known for its handcrafted ceramic tableware. The brand was established by two young women with passion of art and design. Sulil is a French word which means sun. You can see the amazing products here. I came across some exceptional wooden crafts, truly unique in design and craftsmanship. You can see with me. अच्छा लगता है जब अपने मुल्क की मसनूआत आपको देखने को मिलती हैं और आपको हुनर नज़र आता है अपने हुनरमंदों का. ये देखें जी, दूध पत्ती चाय हर चीज़ में आ जाती है हमारी. ये भी हमारे कल्चर का हिस्सा है, जो कि बन चुकी है हमारे कल्चर का हिस्सा. लें जी एक और चाय चलती रहे, दुनिया जलती रहे. Here it comes truck art. Truck art is a vibrant and unique form of folk art originating in South Asia, particularly in Pakistan. It involves decorating trucks with intricate patterns, bold colors, and elaborate designs. This art form reflects cultural tradition, personal expression, and regional identity. आप देख सकते हैं, देख मगर प्यार से. यहाँ पर कितनी उम्दा अशिया बनाई गई हैं। World City Lahore is doing a great job like appreciating and presenting the local art of the people. You can see their stall. इनका स्टॉल बहुत अट्रैक्टिव था इसलिए कि वैरायटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स थे, वाइड रेंज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स थे जो कि सबको अट्रैक्ट कर रहे थे। Here comes my beloved lady, the one and only Fozia Javed. You can see her amazing block printing art over here. You can see a lot of products and I came here to support her. This event was organized to support Deaf Reach. And here is the stall of Deaf Reach. Deaf Reach is committed to the empowerment of deaf children and youth via education and employment. It is the only branch network of schools and training centers in Pakistan, serving both urban and rural deaf students. यहाँ पर जितने products हैं ये deaf students ने बनाए हैं. Let's visit Plate and Platter stall with me. The way they presented their food was both stunning and captivating, showcasing creativity at its finest. It's remarkable how our talented women are contributing to economic growth through their skills, turning artistry into opportunity. And see how a supportive husband stands beside his wife. Grateful to Sophie for organizing such an incredible artisan market, a wonderful initiative to support and celebrate the talent of Pakistani artists.